Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Ethereum on Coinbase. We're gonna go to the 4 hour first. So here on the 4 hour, all this is a lower high so far. Definitely watch the Bitcoin video to kind of get the overall character of the market right now. You know, the Solana and Ethereum are basically going to be an addition to the Bitcoin video, so definitely watch the Bitcoin video, because Bitcoin's going to dictate what these coins do. But I will go over Ethereum and Solana because there are some differences as well. So on Ethereum here on the 4 hour, we are making a lower high, especially if, this is a confirmed lower high. We do have bearish divergence. Actually, no, we do not. Nope, we do not. Okay, so no bearish divergence. We did have bullish divergence right here, but that already played out. We got quite the bounce. So we're in the bearish control zone. Your negative momentum is still strong. Your trend is still strong to the downside. Bitcoin actually, let me see here. See, Bitcoin on the 4 hour looks a little better. Not much. On Ethereum, we're being held down by the 21 right now. Your positive momentum is increasing. You do have a fresh cross to the upside on the on the MACD, which if we can break the 21 at basically 2140, we could get up here to this 50. I would expect us to get up to this 50 in between around 2300. But that's if we break the 21. And I would expect us to make a lower high there. I really don't think it's going above there. That's just my thoughts. Vol's high, which means this move is probably just getting started. Well, not getting started, but I think that it's not over yet. I do think we're going to the downside. That's not to say that we can't get a bigger bounce first up to 2300. But ultimately, I do think we're going to retest these lows at least at 1700. Honestly, the level I'm eyeing is 1500. That's where I think we're going next. So let's zoom out to the daily real quick. Yeah, on the daily, this sucker just curled right over. All your moving averages just cross bearish, multi-cross over here. And the last one was right here. I do think this is going lower. Your momentum is still looking like shit. You're in the oversold, just trying to enter back into the bearish control zone. Look, you tried to break above and you couldn't. You tried to break back above 20. Tried to break it back above 22, but kept getting front ran and rejected. So your MACD seems like it's easing up just a little bit, but you did just get this nice green candle on your daily. So this last day wasn't bad, and you got that bounce. So, of course, that's going to turn your momentum around a little bit, but it's not, it's strong, but it's not strong, all things considered. All right, so let's move on to Solana. So here on Solana, on the daily, these moving averages look even worse. All right, and look, once again, came down to our level. We actually broke that level, but we did get the bounce, and we are above it right now at the 50 region. Look where that wick ended up. Exactly on our level. Solana has almost, this channel that we made has been spot on during, ever since we got above this level, we've been taking this level by level, and it's hit every time. So yeah, now I can see why the Solana videos are a lot more popular, because we've been pretty spot on Solana lately. So on the daily, momentum looks real bad. You're all the way down and oversold. You could get a bounce here, maybe up to the signal line. If you do get a bounce, I think you could come up to $60, maybe $60.70. But I do think that would be the lower high. That would coincide with Bitcoin getting a bounce. You could possibly even get a bounce up here to this purple region. That would make sense too, at $75. If Bitcoin gets all the way up to 35, I think that's where it would go. That's not to say Bitcoin's going to get that bounce. This could be the last rally. It could be almost over. So on your MACD, pretty steep downside curvature. Your negative momentum is still increasing, even though you got that light red bar, but it's only one bar. So it's only one day. I mean, of course, you're going to get corrective rallies. You know, Solana's up almost 15% today. But it seems like it got rejected at $56. So yeah, man, stay nimble on this stuff right now. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.